Drones are the new weapons of modern warfare, and now India has built a vehicle that can hunt them, detect them, and even shut them down anywhere, anytime. Meet the Indrajaal Ranger, a fully mobile, AI-powered anti-drone patrol truck built on the legendary Toyota Hilux platform. This is not just a vehicle, this is a moving shield. Welcome back to Drive Sphere. Today, we're exploring one of the most advanced defense vehicles ever created, the Indrajaal Ranger, launched on 26 November 2025. This machine combines military-grade AI, powerful drone warfare capability, and Toyota's toughest pickup engineering into one beast. Let's break down every feature, every system, and every hidden detail that makes Ranger a next-generation anti-drone guardian. The Indrajaal Ranger is India's first fully mobile anti-drone patrol vehicle ad. This means it is designed to detect enemy drones, track them, jam their signals, neutralize or disable them, protect borders, airports, and military bases. Unlike fixed anti-drone towers, Ranger moves anywhere. It brings a full drone defense system on wheels. The entire Ranger system sits on the globally trusted Toyota, the Hilux 44, known for its durability, off-road strength, and unmatched reliability. Why Hilux was chosen? Because it offers high ground clearance, heavy payload capacity, extreme off-road capability, stability for rooftop radar and jammers, proven military utility, worldwide ability to carry heavy electronics plus power unit. Its Hilux specifications base platform, 2.8L turbo diesel engine, around 204 HP, 500 Nm torque, ladder frame chassis, 44 low-range reinforced suspension for defense loads. Indrajaal has modified the interior and exterior to support communication, rack sensor array, heavy rooftop counter, drone systems, power management units, multi-screen operator consoles. The Ranger is powered by Indrajaal proprietary AI defense stack. This includes 1. AI threat prediction. The system predicts where drones may appear even before visual contact. 2. Pattern recognition. AI identifies drone type: hobby drone, commercial drone, FPV, suicide drone, surveillance drone. 3. Multi-drone tracking. AI can track multiple drones simultaneously, even fast-moving FPV drones. 4. Automated target locking operator, co-surf command, Denny Hodi high, AI could target hold car to high. Ranger uses a 360-degree multi-sensor dome, usually mounted on top of the Hilux cabin. Includes long-range radar, EO/IR camera, electro-optical plus infrared RF scanners, thermal imaging capabilities, day and night detection, fog/smoke penetration, heat signature tracking, drone altitude and speed reading, 3-5 km detection range depending on environment. This is the heart of the Ranger. What it can do: Fire 1. RF jamming cuts drone communication with controller. Fire 2. GPS spoofing, drone loses navigation, becomes blind. Fire 3. Signal takeover system, drone car control, hijack car, sack to high. Fire 4. Force landing mode, drone safe landing, par force car to high. Fire 5. Hard kill support, optional integration for kinetic systems, bolts, lasers, or interceptors. This makes Ranger capable of stopping border smuggling drones, enemy surveillance drones, weaponized FPV drones, commercial quadcopters inside the vehicle. Full mission control room, Hodi high. Interior features: dual or triple display screens, threat map, AI alerts, drone ID database, joystick based control options, secure communication, radio, GPS plus map integration, battery management system, 2-3 operators, coordinate detection and engagement in real time. Because drone warfare gear takes heavy electricity, Ranger includes dedicated power converters, high capacity batteries, stabilized electronic racks, cooling units, surge protection for desert heat, YASAB vehicle key engine, par extra load, na high dalt. Indrajaal Ranger will be used by Border Security Forces, Indian Army, Air Force, Navy, Police, SWAT teams, anti-smuggling squads, airport security, especially in areas Pakistan border, China border, coastal zones, airports, oil refineries, nuclear plants, military bases. In modern warfare, drones are cheap, fast, deadly, hard to detect. A mobile anti-drone platform gives real-time response, mobility, border coverage, 24/7 protection, complete independence from towers. Indrajaal Ranger transforms drone defense from static to mobile. And that is India's newest mobile anti-drone hunter, the Indrajaal Ranger, built on the legendary Toyota Hilux, powered by artificial intelligence, and designed for one mission: to secure the skies. If you want more defense tech breakdowns, more car-based military platforms, or detailed AA vehicles, make sure to subscribe to Drive Sphere.